As you are aware, the office of the governor is currently housed in the old municipal town hall in the premises of the county assembly, and it's now that we are embarking on construction of a new office block for the county executive. And the resolve to have a new state-of-the-art office block is a legacy undertaking coming 12 years after the onset of devolution in 2013. It is important to know that we have a major challenge in terms of office space at the headquarters, which impairs service delivery. I can tell you, when there are some directors and officers who don't have office, some are operating in the corridors. Some don't come to work completely. They're operating from their homes. They have taken that advantage to till their land, not on service delivery. Therefore, it's on time that in 2 years, the contractor have assured us that we'll have this building. I'm happy that it will be in my first time in office. In the current situation, the departmental offices are scattered across the town, while the few available office spaces are crowded with staff, making the working condition unbearable. To instill visions on service delivery, staff motivation, and ease of supervision, we envisage a one-stop spaces, modern open office layout block with all departments and the county service board operating under one roof. This will equally make it possible to install and manage the automated clock in the system at the headquarters complex, in which we will also adapt an open door policy. We also intend to incorporate other convenience amenities such as breastfeeding rooms, restaurants, banking services, and the Huduma Center for the comfort of all staff. There are people who are thinking, we are going to provide that room. If it's possible for workers who don't have maids, we will provide. You wait until we have it. We'll make sure for the ladies who are working down, because you are our mothers. And again, we'll make it comfortable for the young ones who have been born. Therefore, you can be sure we're going to make it comfortable. Restaurants will be around. Looking forward to have it as a state-of-the-art block. The project is set to be completed within 24 months, and I asked the project manager or management team to work closely with the contractor so as to deliver the office block as soon as possible. And I want to direct the contractor, please don't listen to anybody who comes to ask for kickbacks, because this has been a culture, a very bad culture. You can alter one block. I'm so happy that even the bars that you're using, I've never seen this one. I'm told is what? D25, the highest is the D32, which does 100 floors. Therefore, D25 is closer to what we are having. And I want to challenge the contractor, because there is another site where we came with the president hardly 2 weeks ago, or 3. Is it 3 or 2? 3 weeks. Then the contractor has not taken oversight completely until last week when I walked there. Found the field is empty. I spoke to the president. I think after he was spoken to, he brought some 2 machines. I want to check on it today. His project is 3 billion. How I wish the 500 million will outshine the 300. But he is going to account for every penny. We're not going to give him room, because I'm told the contractor has bad manners. He does some work. He has done some work in Kumachoge, Burabu, that's on the way. He did some work in Bomet. He did finish. Hapa tutamwambia kwamba atafanya hiyo mchezo. Ni afadhali aende tupate mtu mwingine kama hawezi fanya kazi.